Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are a freelancer or self-employed and want to keep your finance organized in 2025, you are probably wondering, is QuickBooks worth it? In this video, I will break down the best QuickBooks plans and features for freelancers and solo business owners. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So why QuickBooks? So QuickBooks makes it super easy to track your income, expenses and taxes in one place. You can link your bank account, send invoices and even separate business from personal expense, all without needing an accounting degree. So best plan for freelancer. For 2025, the best plan for most freelancer is QuickBooks Self-Employed. So it is designed specifically for freelancer, gig workers, and solo proprietors. Key features including tracking income and expense automatically, categorizing business versus personal transactions, mileage tracking, super useful for rideshare drivers or anyone who deduct travel. Quarterly tax estimates so you are ready to tax season. Then let's talk about if you need invoicing and basic bookkeeping, you might want to upgrade to QuickBooks Smart Part. So here you will get to see a 30-day trial available and you can see the plan in also here. So now we are talking about QuickBooks Simple Start. So here you can see it is start from BDT 231 monthly. This plan includes everything is self-employed plus professional invoices, basic reports and payments tracking. It is better if you send a lot of invoices or want more control over your bookkeeping. Then let's talk about the key features. Some of the best features for freelancers in 2025 are automatic bank feed. QuickBooks import your transaction for you. Mobile app, log expense, track mileage, and send invoices from your phones. Then tax help. You can export all your info to TurboTax or your accountant in a few clicks. Real-time dashboard. See how much you are earning and spending anytime. So is QuickBooks worth it for freelancer? If you want to save time, reduce stress at tax time and look more professional with clean invoice, it is definitely worth considering. Plan usually start around $15 to $13 per month depending on which one you choose. And that's it. If you found this QuickBooks guide helpful, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want a step-by-step video next. Thanks for watching.